Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Tesla.com account to manage charging accessories. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open a web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in Tesla.com and press enter. Once the Tesla homepage loads, locate the sign in option at the top right corner of the page. Click on sign in to proceed to the login screen. You will see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your Tesla account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, there is a Forgot Password link available. Clicking on this link will guide you through the process of resetting your password. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for the section labeled Charging Accessories. Click on this section to manage your charging accessories. You can view, update, or add new charging options here. Take your time to explore the available options for customization. When finished, ensure you log out of your account for security. To log out, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Log Out from the drop-down menu. This will securely end your session on Tesla.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.